Let's get on in here. Yeah. That's no good. Oh, I can really get on in there. Yeah. That's what I like to call no good. You see those little teeth marks? Looks like I got gnawed on over here as well. Yeah. Whole line's gotta go. So this is like an overflow kind of line coming off of the reservoir. Oop, that has decided to start seeping again. I should, yeah, see, that's gone down in there. I need to, this is gonna make a humongous mess, probably. So, it is time for an unboxing. Doo-doo-doo. Still not sponsored. Here's the new one. Genuine Volvo 3368752 made in Poland. And from what I can tell, looks like old one just pops off via these little fittings here. New one pops on. I guess seeing as how these connections are kind of below the reservoir, that's probably going to get coolant all over the place, and I'm going to need to go and get a car wash, and probably go to AutoZone and re-up that tank, because that's going to be above the fill there. So, well, let's do it. I'd say that's got a pretty steady drip to it now. This is not going to be a clean process. I used a bit holder to take the engine cover off so that I can get a little bit of better access to this kind of who's a what's it's back here. I'm thinking about maybe taking off the air cleaner pipe right here, just so that I can get a little bit of a better access back up in there. Back up in there. And then, yeah, and it looks like this other side attaches to the turbo blow-off. I think that's what that looks like. I think, yeah, that's the turbo right there. A teeny tiny little turbo. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Yeah, I'm gonna need to go and get some more Blue Cool. Top that off. I'm pretty sure that as soon as I take off, watch, I'm gonna take off the pressure over here and watch that just fucking pour. Yeah, drip, 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 drip. That's gonna go everywhere. As if that wasn't already. Oh, well, the reservoir's already empty, so maybe I really shouldn't be driving this anywhere. I might have to walk to AutoZone in order to get what I need, because this is not good. Hasn't made it to the floor yet, so yeah. Oh boy. There we go. Cable is connected. That one, that plastic on plastic, is kind of hard to get off. Took some finagling, but there we go. Old chewed up line. There we go. What I do is install the new one. Okay, engine cover's back on. Dried up down there the best that I could. Now the only thing left to do is to take the radiator cap off. Start the engine, let it come up to temperature, and then add coolant. And yeah, I gotta add the blue cool. It's pre-diluted, so I could just pour it straight in. And while the engine's kind of coming up to temp, it's getting a little windy. I'm gonna close that before it gets warm. But while I'm gonna spray some of this stuff. It's called Stem. It's for ants, roaches, and flies, but it's also got like stuff in it that rodents generally don't like. So it should work for our purposes here as well. And we'll just kind of soak these hoses here down. Let that sit and kind of dry up in the sun for a second. And that should make the hose lines and stuff in here not very delicious for small rodents to chew on. It looks like it's gone down a little bit. I think I can start adding a little bit more. We're almost done. Okay, we're up to temp, which means it should be nice and thermostat should be open. And that should stop going down. It's looking like it's staying pretty steady. There at the max mark. Ooh, boy, does that stink. All right, let's just cap this back up. Don't think that needs any further burping. Thing left to do is to give it a wash, and this job is done-ski.